Hi, and I'm here to explain about nervous system and integumentary system. Integumentary systems protect the body. It protects us from infections as well as adjust temperature. For example, when it gets too hot, our sweat glands produce sweat to cool our skin. Another function is to control our body fluids such as water. Integumentary system gives us the ability to feel pain and temperature through our skin. Skin is the largest organ in the body. Skin is made of three thick layers, one called epidermis, which is the outside layer that forms a barrier to protect the body from diseases, UV light, chemicals, and physical damage. There are two other organs that are part of skin, nails and hair. They have similar functions, one being that they are from the same protein called keratin, which also makes our skin rough and thick. Nails and hair grow from dead cells. The only difference is that hair has color from melanin pigment and grows from hair follicles. These structures of hair, skin, and nails display one with layers of skin and a hair strand growing from a hair follicle, along with the other showing a nail body. Underneath it is a bone of a fingertip. The nervous system protects and maintains homeostasis. On the other hand, our nervous system is the main reason why we can react on environment and have body movements. It is the communication between the brain and our body. There are two types of nervous system, one called peripheral system and central system. Neurons are found in the peripheral system. Their main job is to carry messages from neuron to another. The signals going towards the cell bodies are membranes called dendrites. Messages going away are membranes called axons. Axon messages are directed toward gland cells, muscle cells, and other neurons. In this display of a neuron, it shows the branches called dendrites, where they send message toward the soma, which is also called the cell body. The yellow are the axon, which creates electric currents that goes to the axon terminal. There it sends messages to other cells. The spinal cord is part of the central system. Along with the brain, the spinal cord sends messages to the brain, and the brain sends messages back to the spinal cord. When we feel something, this message comes from sensory information, which is going to the brain. When the messages is coming from the brain, it is directed to motor information and goes to peripheral system. Our brain is one of the main organs where information goes to. However, there is not enough knowledge we know about the brain. We know that it keeps our body balanced or stable. The structure shows 4 lobes. This is the cerebral hemisphere. It's where speech, smell, taste, and hearing are function. In this structure, the green is all peripheral system, and the brain and spinal cord is the central system. The two systems are connected by their function. When our body fluids is low, the neuron sends messages to the brain that tells the brain that there is a deficiency in our body's water supply. Several loss of body supply of fluids can be really life-threatening. Or when bumping a toe, the sensor receptors can send a message to the brain that the foot is in pain. Integumentary system conditions deals with skin. An example can be skin cancer. Now there is 3 types of skin cancer, but one called melanoma is very dangerous. By exposure of sun, it can cause a big dark spot on the skin. Another condition is called eczema, which makes skin itchy, dry looking, and red. It can be caused by plants like poison ivy or just happen for no reason. In the nervous system, there are many diseases, but one that interests me is called addiction. It's when someone abuses drugs or alcohol. Another condition is when smokers get a disease called emphysema, where the lung is ruptured and oxygen is needed to breathe. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.